Canon EOS 80D is the latest in Canon's mid-range digital SLR cameras. The pursuit for more than just normal evolution, made for a design that is more powerful and even more advanced. The 24.2 million pixel EOS 80D is an ideal step-up camera for the experienced shooter and equally well-suited for the first-time digital SLR owner who wants to develop their photography skills. The EOS 80D has strength, weather resistance, and durability, the first things an experienced shooter will often look for. And the EOS 80D has a shutter and drive system durability tested to 100,000 exposures. The viewfinder is a clear step above entry-level models with a full 100% field of view, something often found in high-end cameras, and is constructed with a solid all-glass prism rather than a lightweight hollow mirror design, giving you a brighter view every time you look in the camera. With a resolution of 24.2 million pixels at up to 7 frames per second, the EOS 80D brings quality performance to the mid-range digital SLR that just less than a decade ago took a top-of-the-line professional camera to deliver. And its responsiveness, that is, how quickly it responds to user inputs, is quicker than most beginner cameras. The EOS 80D has 2 autofocus systems, a powerful 45-point AF system for traditional shooting through the viewfinder, covering a broad area with the speed for nearly any action situation. Wildlife photographers will love that it can focus with many f8 lenses. And it can be fine-tuned, much like our high-end professional cameras for truly demanding situations. The second is a top-performance AF system for video recording and live view shooting using the LCD monitor. Dual-pixel CMOS AF now offers continuous focus in live view shooting. Even with moving subjects, the speed is incredible compared to other autofocus systems. The Canon EOS 80D brings performance that will be loved by advanced shooters, such as flash sync up to shutter speeds of 1/250th of a second, matching today's high-end pro models. And the EOS 80D can shoot up to 25 continuous, uninterrupted raw images at 7 frames per second, significantly higher than most entry-level models. And with a larger battery, the EOS 80D can support more shooting than the lightweight batteries used in many entry-level cameras. Canon is a leader in lens technology and continues to innovate with the exciting new standard zoom lens launching with the new EOS 80D camera. The EFS 18-135mm USM lens. With a completely new type of Canon ultrasonic motor technology for focusing, Nano USM is virtually silent, incredibly responsive, and yet remains smooth as silk when recording video or shooting live view still images. The EFS 18-135mm USM lens gives a broad extended zoom range, equivalent to a 28-200mm lens on a full-frame camera, so it's a perfect partner for the EOS 80D. Nano USM technology makes this a big step forward in zoom lens design for both the casual or the advanced photographer. Regardless of how you work with the camera, the EOS 80D never loses sight of a simple fact: photography should always be fun. The EOS 80D makes image creation easy with its advanced Vari-Angle LCD monitor. Almost fully adjustable whether you're hand-holding or even mounted on a tripod, the LCD monitor has an advanced touchscreen system for shooting, playing back images, and even menu selection. You can also focus by touch during live view and movie shooting. Encouraging beginners to go beyond simple snapshots, the EOS 80D has a creative filters feature, allowing the photographer to apply numerous different looks to pictures, either as you take them or applying them afterward in camera to pictures already taken. This day and age is all about sharing and connecting with people, and photographers are no exception, wanting to share images as soon as they're taken. The EOS 80D makes it easy with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing remote control of your camera from a smartphone or tablet, sending images you've taken to your mobile device so you can email them or upload them to social media, playing back images without wires on a compatible Wi-Fi enabled HD TV, and saving your pictures to a device like the optional Canon Connect station. EOS 80D offers easy NFC connection to the accessory Canon Connect Station and to NFC-compatible Android system smartphones or tablets. The EOS 80D is one of the most video-ready digital SLRs available today. With the dual-pixel CMOS AF system, the EOS 80D removes the biggest obstacle to many photographers working with video: getting sharp pictures and changing focus smoothly as they shoot. With the EOS 80D, there are more video options than you'll often find with beginner cameras, such as having choices for file types, and options up to full HD video at 60 frames per second. And you can record video continuously up to nearly 30 minutes without stopping. The EOS 80D uses familiar and easily available SD-type memory cards and is compatible with the fast UHS-1 type cards. And no mention of EOS 80D and video would be complete without mentioning another new optional accessory: the Canon Power Zoom Adapter PZ-E1. Dedicated to the new 18 to 135mm nano USM lens we mentioned earlier, this smooths out zooming during video. Think about it. Canon technology now gives even the casual video shooter smooth and positive autofocus, along with the possibility of smooth zooming at various speeds with this optional power zoom adapter. Canon's EOS 80D is equally appealing to the advanced photographer, first-time digital SLR owner, and individual content creator who wants to raise their game and shoot quality video. There's no question the EOS 80D hits a real sweet spot in the camera industry. We'll have more on these new products in the coming weeks on Canon USA's online digital learning center. For Canon USA, I'm John Lorenz.